Did you just switch bank accounts, or maybe open a new one, and now you need to change where your Zelle money lands? It's a super common problem. Zelle is fast, easy, and everywhere, but when you change your primary bank, you need to make sure your payments are keeping up. Otherwise, that money a friend sends you for pizza is going to land in your old account. The challenge is that Zelle enrollment is always tied to one unique combination, your email or US mobile number, linked to one specific bank account. If you want to change that linked account, you basically have to transfer your contact information from the old bank to the new one. Here's the breakdown of the process, and it's a little different depending on whether you use the Zelle app or your bank's app. The easiest and most common way is through your bank's mobile app or online banking. This is how most people use Zelle. Step 1 is to log into the mobile app for the new bank, the one you want to start receiving money into. Step 2, navigate to the Zelle section. This is usually under Pay and Transfer, Send Money, or simply the Zelle tab. Step 3, look for your Zelle settings, profile, or enrollment options. You should see your email address or phone number currently linked to the old bank. The new bank's app will recognize that your contact information is already registered. When you try to enroll that same email or phone number, the app will typically prompt you with a message asking if you want to transfer your Zelle registration to this new account. All you have to do is confirm the transfer. The moment you hit that button, Zelle automatically unlinks that phone number or email from your old bank account and instantly connects it to your new one. You don't have to manually delete anything from the old bank, which is a huge convenience. Now, what if you use the standalone Zelle app? This is only for people whose bank isn't partnered with Zelle. If you're using the separate Zelle app, the process is slightly more manual. You'll go into the Zelle app, tap the gear icon for settings, and look for the Account or Switch Accounts option. From there, you'll be prompted to unlink your current debit card and bank account, and then you can input the information for your new bank's debit card to set it up as the linked account. A key thing to remember: no matter which way you do it, you can only link one email or phone number to one bank account at a time. The moment you successfully enroll your phone number with Bank B, it is automatically disconnected from Bank A. Check your Zelle settings after the transfer to confirm your deposit account is correct, and you're good to go. All future payments sent to your email or phone number will now land safely in your new bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.